Severn, Maryland is a vibrant community that demands the best in window installation services. Whether you're looking for vinyl windows, energy-efficient windows, or custom window solutions, Severn MD has a plethora of options to meet your needs. The East Coast Window Installers, Inc. services in Severn are renowned for their expertise in window replacement, offering a wide range of styles including double-hung windows, bay windows, casement windows, sliding windows, and picture windows. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, Severn, Maryland window installation services ensure that every project is completed to the highest standards. For those seeking energy-efficient windows in Severn, there are numerous benefits to consider. Energy-efficient windows not only help reduce your carbon footprint, but also significantly lower your energy bills. Severn MD vinyl window experts specialize in providing windows that offer superior insulation and sealing, ensuring that your home remains comfortable year-round. By choosing energy-efficient windows Severn, you are making a smart investment in both your property and the environment. Custom window solutions in Severn, Maryland are designed to cater to the unique needs of each homeowner. Whether you require specific window measurements or have a particular window design in mind, Severn's window fitting services can accommodate your preferences. From window consultation to window maintenance, the professionals in East Coast Window Installers, Inc. are equipped to handle every aspect of your window project. Custom windows. Severn, Maryland are tailored to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Window replacement in Severn MD is a seamless process thanks to the skilled professionals in the area. Whether you're upgrading to double-hung windows Severn or opting for bay windows, Severn, Maryland, the transition is smooth and efficient. Window replacement Severn MD not only improves the appearance of your home, but also enhances its value. With a variety of window styles Severn, Maryland to choose from, you can find the perfect match for your architectural preferences. For those in need of window replacement Severn MD, there are numerous services available to address any issues you may encounter. From window glass replacement Severn MD to window frame replacement Severn, the experts in the area are well versed in all aspects of window maintenance. Window sealing Severn, Maryland and window insulation Severn MD are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows and ensuring they perform optimally. With regular window maintenance Severn, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and avoid costly replacements. Vinyl windows are a popular choice among homeowners in Severn, Maryland due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. experts provide a variety of styles and designs to match any home aesthetic. These windows are not only cost-effective, but also offer excellent insulation, making them an energy-efficient option for those looking to reduce their energy bills. With custom window solutions available, you can find the perfect vinyl windows to enhance your home's appearance and functionality.